11 Alive is news that helps you.
A medical breakthrough in the making? After the break, the story of a young man who's making a donation to science that he hopes will help those who suffer from a condition like him called Fragile X. Researchers at Emory studying the genetic disorder Fragile X are about to get a much-needed stem cell donation. But there is no controversy here. The donation comes from a young man whose family is searching for answers, and the stem cells are his own. R.J. Watson explains.
Families that have children with special needs are desperately seeking answers.
And one of the last places Gail Heyman ever thought to look was in her son's mouth. But there in the back, in the aptly named wisdom teeth, answers for researchers at Emory.
Scott was not diagnosed until he was about 9 years old.
Scott Heyman has Fragile X, a genetic disorder.
Fragile X is the world's leading cause of mental impairment that is inherited.
Now 30 years old, Scott lives independently and has a job at Publix.
What do you do at Publix?
Produce, apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, grapefruit.
In fact, Scott lives a most normal life. Here's the unusual part.
I love the dentist, yes, I do.
Scott loves the dentist, even though...
Can we everything about that on today? How long is the surgery? Yeah.
Scott is worried. What about the tooth fairy? Mom saves the day.
You're going to give your teeth to
Emory, another study.
but you're going to put a letter from the tooth fairy under your
pillow in Carly's room.
Okay.
Before Scott is sedated, he is overwhelmed for a moment, but Mom is there.
It's hard when you're the mom. It's hard.
Scott's wisdom teeth are being removed and sent to Emory researchers.
They will be using the stem cells from the dental pulp for the wisdom teeth and for their research project, studying the Fragile X.
Just as families bank umbilical cord blood from newborn babies, now we can bank our children's baby teeth, our own wisdom teeth. The stem cells viable, preserved beneath the enamel. Goldstein, Garber, and Salama Dentistry in Atlanta is one of the few practices in Georgia that helps patients do this.
It gives our family the hope that as they learn more about Fragile X.
The extraction is quick. All 4 wisdom teeth are intact, bottled, and soon on their way to Emory. They were a family who refused to stop searching, and because of that, they were led back to their son, who all along may have held the answer to Fragile X within him. In Atlanta, Jay Watson, 11 Alive News.